In order to change keyboard language on POCO F7, first of all, we need to go to settings. We're gonna scroll all the way down and we want to choose additional settings. After that, we're gonna go to languages and input, then go to manage keyboards and select the Gboard as this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. After that, we can find languages, so you can customize the current language or change the layout, or you can press add keyboard in order to add a new keyboard to the list. So let's say I'm gonna choose this keyboard over here. You can also choose the layout. You can choose multiple layouts as well. Some languages also have some additional multilingual options below, and then we can press done. As you can see, now we have 2 languages added to our keyboard. If you want to manage them, you can press this pen icon in the top right corner, and you can, for example, change the order, or you can tap on these boxes in order to select whichever languages you want to remove. So then you can press this trash icon in the top right corner to delete selected languages. If you want to switch between languages, then once you open keyboard, if you go there for the first time, you will see this flashing button with the globe. So we can tap on it in order to switch between different languages. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.